Hey, welcome back everyone. We're going to do a little different style video today. We're going to be working with a 2003 350Z on the channel today. And this is a car we've been wanting to bring to the channel for quite a while now. So please forgive our theatrics as we welcome it to the channel. It is not the best looking Z, but it is a great platform and it's got some great bones to it. So today we're going to be working on the rear differential bushings. As you can see here, this first one is quite torn. Get a little closer look. Yeah, it's torn all the way around the top and on the bottom. So there's quite a lot of play in the bushing there. Actually, every time I was shifting, I can hear it clunking in the rear. It was really, I didn't want to drive it that much, honestly. Here's the front bushings. Didn't look so bad. These aren't the ones that usually go bad, but with all the play in the back, these are definitely worn down a bit more than they would be. So we've taken a look at the old bushings. Let's check out what we're going to use to replace them. Got this package from Z1 Motorsports here, and inside we have their Z1 urethane rear differential bushing set, and these are the forward bushings. These are the ones I mentioned. They don't go bad or don't tear as quickly, but they'll be nice to have. In this box, it's actually for the next video. It's gonna be our transmission mount. Excited for that, but check us out next time for that one. And this is the main event right here, the rear differential bushing. Look at that metal insert, it's huge. So I'm really hoping this one's gonna last a lot longer than the factory one, which looking at the material, I don't think that's gonna be an issue at all. Getting started with this job, we went ahead and disconnected the drive shaft and the axles. That's going to let the differential basically drop straight out when it's time. Went ahead and did these steps off camera, and as you see here, there's two ABS sensors, one on either side. Those are going to have to come off as well. Those are 10mm bolts. And then there's a breather hose on the top of the differential. Have to come off as well. Then you can just loosen the bolts for the differential and it falls right out. With the differential on the ground now, we can go ahead and push these two bushings out. Just gonna use a socket and a hammer and push them right through. If you've never pressed out a hydraulic bushing before, this is typically how it goes. You push it out in stages. So you push out the middle first. As you can see, that one actually had more fluid in it. The other one was kind of dry actually, so I wonder if it was already torn. But you push out the middle and then work on the outside until you have this as your finished product. New bushings went in very nice. These went in nice and smooth. This bushing right here will definitely be the hardest part of this whole install, just because it's part of the whole rear subframe. You could drop the subframe and actually get rid of this, but I think I'm actually going to do it on the car. So just like before, let's push out the center and work on the rest of the bushing. So I drove the center out there, basically the same method, just use a hammer and a socket. For this portion, we had to get the outside race of the bushing out of the receiver in the subframe. There's a bunch of different methods you can use to accomplish this. I actually made some small cuts in the bushing and pushed the race out. And as you can see now, the new bushing is ready to go in. I'm just gonna add a little bit of grease and I'll tap it into its new home. No surprises here. This just went right in its home like it should. Very nice fit. Once again, very high quality bushings from Z1. I was very happy to pick them and go with their product. Looks like this is not going to be any issue, for me going forward, no matter what I do with the car. So very happy about that. And now those are the front bolt holes for the differential. So I'll go ahead and slide it up and get it in place. Differential is all bolted up now. This was super easy. The bushings didn't make the fit too much tighter, so I was able to just slide it up into place. Everything lined up perfect. No issues whatsoever. Really enjoy working on this car. Everything is just straightforward, has a place, I can reach it, and I think this is gonna make a nice difference. Very excited to drive it now. Thank you so much for stopping by and watch this video. If you like this style, let us know below and stop by next time for the transmission mount install.